If you have an outdoor pool at your commercial facility, cyanuric acid is crucial for protecting and stabilizing your chlorine. Let's use the Taylor K-2006C Kit to check our levels. Cyanuric acid is a chlorine stabilizer and UV protectant. Ideal cyanuric acid levels are typically 30 to 50 parts per million for outdoor pools. The bottles for testing cyanuric acid will have white caps. Fill the small mixing bottle to the 7 milliliter mark with fresh pool water. Then add R0013 cyanuric acid reagent up to the 14 milliliter mark. Cap the bottle and mix for 30 seconds by gently inverting it several times. After mixing, slowly pour the cloudy solution into the small, clear view tube. Look down from the top of the tube toward the black dot at the bottom, and stop filling when the black dot just disappears from view. Read the value at the liquid level on the side of the view tube and record your result as parts per million cyanuric acid. That's how to measure your pool's stabilizer level using the Taylor K-2006C Kit. For the full series on every test in this kit, and more videos on pool maintenance, subscribe to Easy Pool and Spa Supply on YouTube.